Hi. Thought I'd touch base. I lost my mom a little over a week ago, and it's the most awful thing I've ever experienced. My emotions are all over the place, but it brings to me a new focus. You know, we have only a little amount of time on this planet, and God has blessed us so much, and I just want to focus more on our business and our lives and my children, my remaining parent, my stepdad, my brother, my nieces and nephews, and my friends. I don't want to work for $300 a week anymore for someone else because I don't have the time or the gumption. I make a good, decent amount of salary an hour, but I don't get the hours. While I love my job doing what I do, I can't do that anymore. So I have this warehouse full of stuff, and I have a house full of stuff and a basement full of stuff, and I have 3 storage units still at my parents' on my parents' property, 2 full of barnwood that we plan on building a house with. And we took that barn down probably 15 years ago, and here we are, still no further to owning a piece of property. I'm working for nothing, and I'm just tired of doing that. So I had said before that this was part of a healing journey. Now the healing is different, and I am different, and I just want to live better in my mom's memory and my dad's memory, for the sake of my children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren, and my husband, my marriage, my life, because I could be gone tomorrow, but today my focus is different. So God bless each and every one of you, and welcome to a new journey in cottage and country and not right you.